How to do cutting calibration by to M to tank CNC key cutting machine. Please connect the machine by Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth switch. Please click search again. Click Bluetooth number. Bluetooth connection is okay. Green color is successful connection. Find device information. Click cutting calibration. Please confirm the cutter is 2.0 millimeters on the machine. Click OK after confirmation. Here please use HON 66 key blank to calibrate. Align the tip with the first line depending on the guide picture. If it's ready, click OK. Application says, please clean the platform. Click OK. At last, click OK. Cutting calibration is finished. When next time for cutting calibration, this key blank can be used again at least 6 times.